painting is always choosing the proper tool for the task at hand. It nearly goes without saying, big jobs call for a bigger roller. Worcester's 18-inch rollers are the best way to achieve faster results on larger surfaces. Why is speed of application so important for the professional? Because being able to finish faster means getting paid more often, and that's never a bad thing. Because they're twice the size of standard rollers, Worcester's 18-inch covers double the production of 9-inch rollers. Cherie and Rick are painting the same amount of wall space. Cherie is using one of our 18-inch Superfab covers. Rick is using the same cover in a 9-inch size. It's simple, really. A large roller carries more paint to the wall with fewer passes. Less time spent in the bucket and less time spent painting each wall equals more money in your pocket. Ask for the 18-inch Worcester roller covers at your favorite Worcester source. They're available now and are made in the USA.